Hi, I'm Yelena Savilieva, and we're in a new episode of Couture Embroidery Tips. Today, we're talking about a very important topic: how to distinguish real silk from synthetic silk. It's a question I get very often from both students and fashion embroidery enthusiasts. So let's go and see right away how to tell if the silk you want to buy is real. First of all, you have to look at the reflection created by the light. Real silk has a very delicate reflection, very soft, elegant. It's not a strong reflection, while synthetic silk has a very strong reflection, artificial, not elegant. Two, you should know that natural silk might have different finishes. Silk organza can be matte, it can be a bit shinier, or one side can be shiny, the other can be matte. But whenever you see the light reflection, it's always delicate and very elegant. Three, the most important thing to do is to burn the sample of the fabric. Serious haberdasheries here in Europe usually let you do these tests. If no, you can do it once you get home. The smell of burnt real silk is like the smell of burnt hair, of burnt fur, so you can tell it's a very unpleasant, natural smell. Whereas if you burn synthetic silk, the smell is really chemical, so you smell the chemical odor. Plus, like if you burn real silk, it blackens, burns, and dissolves just like paper. You know. You can clearly observe that it's a natural substance burning without creating a plastic drop. Whereas if you burn synthetic silk, a drop forms, it melts because inside there are components, maybe plastic or similar, so it melts, creating this drop that tells us the silk is actually synthetic. These are simple but very useful tips that will help you choose well the fabric for your exercises with the Lunéville crochet, or in any case for couture or fashion embroidery. And now I have a question for you. Tell me, what would you like to know about the fabrics we embroider on? Or maybe you have other questions about silk organza. Write it in the comments so I can see how I can help you. I invite you to become an insider of the haute couture embroidery community and subscribe to the weekly newsletter. In every newsletter, you'll receive fashion tips and news, especially about fashion embroidery, which you'll surely find very useful for your business and your passion. Want to learn tambour embroidery? Join the waiting list in the description for my upcoming beginner course.